Hello everyone, welcome back to the second episode of today's show, which is organized by Dream Chaser Media Production and supported by Swad Hindustan Ka. So all you party people out there, just rejoice because we have a female DJ on board. So let's welcome the sexy DJ Donna online and get to know more about her life and her journey till now. Well, I just hope that she's there. Hello, NR Fitness Studio. Welcome. Hello, Sanjay Rajputji. Welcome to the show. We are waiting for DJ Donna to be there. Yes, hello. Hello, everybody. Hello, Kishorji. Welcome back to another episode of this Chit Chat show. And we are just waiting for DJ Donna to be there so that we can start this chit chat. And I hope she'll be there any moment. I'm good, Sanjay ji. Thanks so much, Sunny. Thanks for the compliment. And I have to, well, we are still waiting for her. Hello, Amir Hussain. I think she joined. Yes, she's there. Hello, Samir. Thanks for. I just hope that we will connect with her soon, and she'll be live. We all are waiting. I've sent her the request, and she'll be there.
Hi,
Yes.
Asha.
Hello.
Hi,
Hi.
how are
Can
you?
you hear me? I think
Yeah.
I'm good. I think your just got stuck.
Have I?
Yeah.
I
Now,
can see myself
yeah, a little
working.
bit. You can see it. Okay. So am I clear to you? Am I like audible? Can you see me?
Yeah.
Yes.
A little louder would be
Yeah?
fine, but it's good. It's good. Yeah.
Okay, cool. So tell me, like DJ Donna, like, your name, obviously people must be like around India and all, people know you as DJ Donna, and you are definitely very sexy. I've just gone through your internet, Instagram
Thank
profile,
you.
and it's like an
Thank you.
added, it's like an added advantage when, there's a DJ and that too sexy DJ. So how, how much, what is the kind of response that you get from people? I'm sure that, people are very much used to this guys doing the DJ thing in India especially. इंडिया में तो लोगों को ऐसा लगता है डीजे लड़का ही होगा, बट सडनली अगर वो कोई लड़की देखते हैं, अरे वाह यार लड़की बजा रही है, आज के गाने, और वो भी इतनी खूबसूरत, तो कैसा आपको रिस्पांस मिलता है?
Well, see, Asha, I mean, nowadays there are plenty of female DJs. So the
Okay.
ratio is not no more, it's not a men-centric job anymore, you know.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
yeah, I'm sure we do attract the male crowd the most. But
Yeah.
yeah, it feels good. Yeah, it feels good. When
See, in
people come to
metro, it
see
is
see
not. See,
us.
I tell you what, in metro, it is not a big thing, but still in 2 and 3 tier cities, it is a big thing. So metro में तो
Yeah, that's what
obviously
I'm
लोगों को,
saying.
yeah, yeah.
Right.
So tell me, like, you're DJ. You actually were used to do this Wednesday ladies night, Thursday something night,
Right.
Friday something night. So abhi, how you're spending yourself in a lockdown, all these months, कितना मुश्किल था आपके लिए, and what all you did in this, lockdown period.
To be honest, Asha, it hasn't been very difficult. Yes, of course. One thing I really missed out was, traveling and performing in a live
Yeah,
crowd and meeting my parents. But apart
yeah,
from that, it really hasn't been that tough, because I've been doing a lot of I've been fulfilling a lot of my hobbies, giving
okay,
time. I have really not haven't had the time to take care of myself.
okay,
I have been cooking quite a lot. I've been working out. I've been
okay,
painting. I've been
okay,
doing live gigs. I started my own show, my own
okay,
talk show, which I have been in talks with for the last
okay.
2 years. So that finally has taken
Oh wow,
shape, and I've been hosting my own talk show, and
okay,
so yeah, it hasn't really been very difficult for me as such.
yeah, yeah.
But yeah, just that I not being able to go out is kind of a little bit of
Yes, because
a
you you as a DJ must be like so used to travel, like आज जैसे बोलते हैं ना, एक पैर दिल्ली में, दूसरा मुंबई में, and तीसरा बैंगलोर
yeah,
में.
absolutely.
तो
That's how we've
ये
been.
this yeah, exactly. So Friday यहाँ है, Saturday वहाँ है, Sunday वहाँ है. You guys have like tours, all this while. तो
Yeah,
वो नहीं हो रहा है, तो वो एक जो ट्रैवल का वो है, तो एक जेट लैगिंग जिसे बोलते हैं, जो एक हो जाती थी हमेशा की, कहीं ना कहीं इधर से, फॉरेन कंट्रीज ऑल्सो. So, but tell me, do you miss traveling? Do you miss that?
Absolutely. I mean, I'm a travel buff. I love traveling.
Yeah.
So,
Oh,
for the last 6 months that I haven't been able to travel, it's like
yeah, yeah.
that's the one thing I miss the most, apart from, having a live crowd and being able to perform
Right,
in front
right.
of them. These two things are the main thing I miss the most. So, yeah, it's been a little difficult that ways, but otherwise, all good so far.
Okay, so tell me, Donna, like you started your career in this. I still know, it is as you said, abhi itna nahi hai, but when you started, I'm sure it was
Uh-huh.
not easy. When you started. So, who
Right.
was your inspiration? Who was your inspiration? किस कहाँ से देख के आपको ये लगा I want to be in this field? कैसे वो एक जिसे बोलते हैं ना spark click हुआ, and who also put you
Right,
in
right,
this?
right. See, for
Yeah.
me, DJing happened as a fluke.
Oh,
I
okay.
never planned DJing, and I never really planned any of this. So when I was a
What you
child,
wanted to be?
I wanted to be a marine engineer, following my father's
Oh,
footsteps.
okay.
So
Oh,
that
okay.
was my first planning. But
Yeah.
somehow when that didn't work out, I mean, I also had a plan B, that in case
Okay.
that doesn't work out, being a
Yeah.
marine engineer, then I
Yeah.
will do something with. And I used to dance as a
Yeah.
child. I used
Right.
to learn Kathak as a child. So I knew that if not this, I will definitely get into dancing, which I
Okay.
did. So I was in boarding school. When I came back from boarding
Yeah.
school, I was like,
Yeah.
why not give it a try again with my
Yeah.
dancing?
Yeah.
And so on and so forth. I started performing on stage, and
Okay.
from there on, I started going to clubs and seeing, making friends, people who would
Yeah.
perform, and that was a big. So I really didn't know what DJ was all about. Most of us
Right.
didn't know back then what DJing is all
Right.
about. So
Exactly. Yeah.
yeah, so which is when I started going to clubs, I started figuring out, okay, this is what a DJ does. That's what a
Yeah.
DJ means. So, and I made friends because of my dancing skills again. So then they approached and they
Okay.
asked, why don't you learn DJing? You have good musical sense and all of that. So that is how my DJing career started. And back in the days, no,
Okay.
I didn't have any inspiration as such where DJs was concerned, because I didn't even know what a DJing is, what a DJ is.
Yeah. Right.
So yeah.
So,
So
how
when I did my
supportive were
first show,
your parents?
sorry,
How supportive were your parents when you said, this is what
my
I
mother
want to
was
do?
very supportive where any extracurricular activities are concerned. My mother was
Yeah.
extremely supportive. My father, on
Okay.
the other hand, was more on the academic
Technical side.
line. So he was
Yeah.
like,
Yeah.
whatever you want to do, you can do, but
Yeah.
I want a degree. I just want
Yeah.
you to kind of finish your
Yeah.
education, at least have a certain degree in
Right.
hand, which will
Right.
help you in the long run. Probably you won't understand right
Right.
now, but
Plan
in the
B.
long run, you'll understand
Yeah.
what I mean
Yeah.
by you
Yeah.
having a degree. So
Exactly.
that,
Exactly.
of course, I realize now, it played a very big role in my life. So yeah. So
Yeah.
I did finish. I started DJing when I was in class 10. So I finished my graduation
What are
while
you
I was still
saying?
studying. Yeah,
You class 10th you started? Oh my
yeah,
God.
yeah.
Oh,
So
so
back in
which was your first?
2004, when I started DJing,
So
I was back then the youngest DJ. So yeah.
oh, amazing. So tell me, which was your first club, or where did you perform, first
My
project?
first event was in Vizag, the park, for 31st night, 31st December.
Where we just missed that
The
because
park,
some
the
internet.
park,
Park.
Vizag,
Oh,
Visakhapatnam,
oh, wow.
Visakhapatnam,
Okay.
the park. Yeah, that was my
Okay.
first.
Okay.
That was my
Okay.
first. Yeah.
So how was the response of the crowd, when you did that? How was the response?
So okay, there's a small little story here. So I
Yeah.
basically challenge myself, that
Okay.
if the gig doesn't go well today, this will be
Yeah.
my first and my last show as a
Yeah.
DJ.
Okay.
So I am still a DJ for the last 16 years. The show went really well.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, that's
So
what it
yeah,
was like. Okay. Okay.
yeah,
So
yeah.
basically, you got the bug from there, and you started loving that
Yeah,
thing,
I
and
mean, I just challenge
you
myself
know,
that if the show is not good, if the response is not that great, then it's pointless,
yeah,
even trying something out of the
yeah,
box. I'd
yeah,
rather get back
yeah.
to my dancing and do what
Right.
I do best. So yeah.
So, which has been like your memorable night, till now, like where you actually DJ'd and you just loved it. Any moment, any
See,
particular.
there are plenty, to be very honest, memorable as in good, bad, ugly, all three, all kinds, and there have been plenty.
Okay.
But there's one particular gig, which I love open air events. Yeah,
Yeah. Oh,
and this gig I still talk about, because this was one of my most favorite events, and it
yes.
happened in Imagica
Oh, okay. That's
right after
amazing.
my birthday. I
Yeah.
think 2 years ago, during
Okay.
Holy event. So we were three
Yeah.
girls who performed like back to back on 3 nights
Yeah.
consecutively.
Yeah.
Sorry, three
Yeah.
afternoon consecutively, and so mine was on the 13th of March, right after my birthday. So I
Yeah.
flew down and early morning, and I performed, and amazing crowd, amazing vibe, and
Yeah.
I still kind of feel like I was possessed on the console because I
Oh, okay.
completely lost myself in the console, completely lost myself,
Right.
and I was tired. I
Right.
hadn't slept, I hadn't eaten, but when I went on the stage, I was like a completely different person, you know.
Okay.
So I
Yeah.
think that was one of my most memorable events so far. And of
Oh,
course, there are
great.
plenty more, but
Yeah.
yeah,
That was
that's one for
something
the
that you
books.
felt like, because
I still talk about
obviously,
it, yeah. So yeah.
obviously when you have like open air events, like, people can dance more, people can, cheer more, people can, more
Yeah.
crowd can
And
be,
there's more capacity as
accommodated.
well, I mean, that had a lot of capacity, and that was like, what, 7,000, eight
Yeah.
thousand plus crowd for
Oh,
Holi, and
wow.
it was amazing. It was amazing. So one for the
Great.
books for sure, yeah.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
I'm sure you must be, missing out on the international travel as well. So, what all countries you have been, because of
Um,
your profession? How many countries have
Quite a few, as actually. I've been to Europe. I've been to the Middle East. I've been to
Okay.
Singapore. I've been on the cruise and
Great.
Mauritius and
Great.
neighboring countries, Hong
Wow.
Kong,
So,
and so yeah.
so
So
it's
so
like,
a couple of.
as they say that, when you are being paid for a holiday, it's like a paid holiday. So, and you're enjoying your trip. So, what else you want in your life? That's one of the things that,
Well, yeah.
you
I mean,
should.
I'm a travel buff. I
Yeah.
travel for my events, and I also take holidays, and I just take off every year for a month. Go visit my
Great.
family in Europe, and travel a bit around and go for festivals and kind of figure out,
Great.
like when you perform, it's like you're doing a job, so I kind of try and
Yeah.
grasp that experiment as
Right.
well, where I can just go and enjoy the
Right.
music and the,
Right.
the ambience
Right.
and the scenery and all of
Right.
that. So yeah.
Cool. So, what's your, like, father's take right now? What is there anything that has changed in his opinion, after,
Oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah. So
yeah,
when I wanted to apply for my master's,
yeah,
my father asked me, do you want to, do a job? So I said,
uh,
no, I don't want to
yeah,
do a job. I just want to
yeah,
study.
yeah,
So he's like, you want to go abroad and you want to study, and you've
yeah,
got past scholarship and everything, but do you
yeah.
realize if you're not going to work, you're going to just invest a lot of money, and what are that for?
Okay.
What is that for?
Yeah,
So I
yeah,
said, you made me finish my graduation, and I want to pursue more. But
yeah,
but my heart lies with my music, and I
yeah,
don't really want to do,
yeah.
I don't want to
Right.
really work anywhere apart from my music, anything with music, I'm game. So
Yeah.
he was like, why don't you study music? You know?
Okay.
So that was like a
Okay.
big
That's
shock for
amazing.
me, like a person who
Yeah.
says academics
Ah,
first.
right.
There
Right.
he's like, why don't you study music?
Music.
That
Yeah.
was something I really
Great.
appreciated, and
Yeah.
also,
Yeah.
when he said, I'm really proud of you, with
Right.
whatever you achieved so far. So
Right.
that was like a feather
Great.
on my cap, I feel, because that's something coming from a man like him, you know.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that
That's
was that
that's
was something I really
and
appreciated. So
that's
yeah,
like, that's like an achievement, because, when your parents, like, because
absolutely,
obviously they are kind of like your well wishers all the time, but, when they are not into, like,
absolutely.
they don't understand initially, and then, they appreciate later on, so it's like a victory, it's like V for victory for
No,
you. That's
my father knew all
Yeah,
about nightclubs and stuff, but it's just
yeah,
that he wasn't
yeah, he
very
always wanted.
keen on,
Yeah,
sending his daughter to a
yeah,
nightclub. You know what I mean?
yeah,
So, but
I
then, but
know,
I kind of,
obviously. Yeah,
I told him this is what I want. I mean,
yeah,
I just want to be around music, and it can be in any kind. It could be
anytime.
with my dancing, with my singing, with my
so so
DJing,
one
with anything.
So one thing which is coming to my mind is, you're a dancer also. So how do you keep your legs intact, when you're actually DJing? Because you also want to dance and you
I
have to
don't,
be in that
I
control.
don't, I don't. I can't
Oh,
stand still
okay.
when I'm playing music.
That's
So I
why.
am in
Yeah.
a different groove when I
Yeah.
start playing music. And I never stand still. I just can't
Okay.
stand still
Yeah.
when I play
So
music.
you keep on playing, and, you keep on dancing, and you're on the console, and you keep on dancing.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
Amazing.
I'm
Amazing.
in that
Yeah.
zone completely. I completely
Yeah.
get into the groove, and zone
Yeah.
myself out when I'm performing, and
Yeah.
I'm just there in
And
the moment, you know.
what kind of music that you love to play? Is it like trance? Is it like Bollywood? What
So
exactly
I
you?
am basically an open format DJ. I play mostly all genres.
Okay.
But when I started DJing, I was a hip hop DJ. I also used to play a little bit of, morning sai here and there, along with
Yeah.
other genres like house music.
Right.
And
Right.
I've grown up listening to hip hop and
Yeah.
Western music, retro music, a lot of retro music, Bollywood and English. So
Right.
my father introduced me to Western music, whereas my
Right.
mother introduced me to Indian classical. And
Right.
so I grew up listening to a lot of retro, and
Right.
I started playing as a DJ. I started playing a lot of hip hop music when I started off
Yeah.
16 years ago, and then slowly, I kind of evolved into Bollywood and
Right.
commercial music.
Yeah.
And now I play. I have started a new project called DNA. So I
Okay.
play progressive tunes when I perform as DNA.
Okay.
I play a lot of Bollywood music as Donna,
Right.
and Bollywood
Right.
commercial. I used to play EDM as well, and hip
Right.
hop as Donna. So yeah,
So
so yeah.
basically,
Mhm.
you play everything. You anything that you
Music
are.
is music
Yeah.
is music. I mean, I can't really differentiate. mm,
Yeah.
I can't differentiate a particular genre. It's just music
Yeah.
for me.
But there are generally, in nightclubs and all that, there are generally nights like, they are generally like, trance night, EDM nights and all that. So generally people whosoever, like those kind of music, they try and go, on those particular days. So I'm sure
Right.
like, because you like playing all of them, so you
Yeah,
can
we also
accommodate
get
it in all
called.
the days. Yeah.
Yeah, we also get called accordingly. Like, when so people know, like people know what we play. Like
Yeah.
like I said, Donna is all
Yeah.
about Bollywood
So,
commercial hip hop. So whenever they call me, they know that this is what her genres are and this is what she's
yeah,
going to
they know
play.
what.
So I mix
Right.
and match my genres.
Yeah.
I don't really stick to just Bollywood. Even if I
Just
go for a
one.
Bollywood gig, I don't stick to just
Yeah.
Bollywood. I
Yeah.
incorporate a lot of, known hip hop or a known commercial.
Yeah.
A song like Shape of You, everyone
Yeah.
knows. Like
And then, in
Despacito,
between,
everyone
it's
knows.
like
Just
something is going on, and in between you change the music, and there's like a lot of roar, like on the floor. Oh wow, like you said, Shape of You is a very famous song. So
very
something
famous.
you're playing.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's like that. So people are asking, like, this guy called Samir who is asking which is the best, like, where can we study actually DJing, like best institute to study DJ.
See, there are plenty of institutes now, there depends on where he is from. Then probably I
Okay.
can suggest, like in Delhi, I would definitely say NYK Studio and DJ Skip Studio.
Right.
These two
Okay.
are the best, I think, in the industry. And
Right.
then in Bangalore, you've got the music school, you've
Okay.
got
I think she's your sister.
no, she's my flatmate.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
So yeah, so in Bangalore you've got the music school, you've got
Right.
um, in Bombay you've got Audio Cube, you've got
Yeah.
yeah, SAE is there as well.
Okay.
So yeah, there are a
So a
couple
lot of
of
institutes
institutes
you
where you
can
can
just,
literally
yeah, a lot of institutes are there. They can always check Google and all that, and then
right,
even Google tells which is the top university, and in that criteria and all that. So
right, right.
tell me, Donna, like when you were growing up, how I can actually guarantee you that you were a naughty kid. So we want to know
Yeah.
that what are all the naughtiest things that you did, and maybe one or two incidents that you still you very fresh in your mind. You want to just tell all of us something you did.
So I was in a boarding school, yeah,
Okay.
and there was a time when I kind of literally caught hold of a cow's tail, and I just went swinging all around.
What?
Yeah, no one
How
really knows
old were
about
you?
this though. Yeah, I was really young, so I was
How
6 when
old
I
were
was in a
you?
boarding school. I was 6 years old when I
Okay.
was in a boarding school.
Okay.
So this
Okay.
incident happened. I think I was 7, 8 years old. I think.
Okay. Okay.
So yeah, so I saw my friend actually catching hold of a dog's tail and running around. So I caught hold of a cow's tail, and
Oh
I
my God.
I was also like trying to swing around, all
Yeah.
over, and I got beaten up real bad for that as well. Apart from that, I used to keep following my mother everywhere, whenever I would come back home.
Yeah.
And reason why I had an accident as well. So I was,
Oh.
yeah. So
Yeah.
So yeah.
Okay.
So I just went to following her. Initially I said I don't want to go with you, and then
Yeah.
I kind of followed her wherever she was going, and I just kind of didn't see the road, and I just crossed the road. So that was
Oh.
another.
Oh.
So these
Okay.
little things kind of are
Yeah.
etched.
Yeah, so exactly. These are the things that actually these memories are like very beautiful memories that you remember. They
Yeah.
always remind you that these are the things that you should do and you should not do. So like so basically that that was not a that was a misadventure when you actually tried to roll on that your cow's tail and all that. That was
Yeah, I
a
mean,
yeah.
well, when you think about it now, it's funny. Back then, of course, I
Yeah.
got beaten up for it. So,
Right. Okay, so Ajit, this is her show, so please like concentrate on her work. This is not my show. I'm just the host. I have to ask her question. Don't ask me questions about myself. So this is her show. So let me just continue, please. Okay. So DJ, tell me, like apart from all this, so you were naughty and you now are very like happy and settled in this kind of thing. So what are the plans like you want to do in future? What are your aspirations?
I'll be honest with you, I don't really plan too fast. I mean, too far because every time I plan something, it doesn't happen. It kind of weighs me down. So I try not to plan too much. But again, well, like I said, I've started my own show, so
Okay.
that I definitely want to take it to the. I mean, I want to interview a couple of big artists and all of that. So that's something I really want to do.
Okay.
Apart from that, if luck has it, I would want to release my own single someday once all these pandemic is over. Apart from that. I have been, I really would want to perform in a lot of festivals. That's
Oh,
something I really want to do.
okay. Okay.
So I am working on that bit as well.
Festivals
So
like
yeah.
Garba and all?
Sorry?
Festivals all like Garba and all
No,
these
no, no, no,
festivals.
no. That again gets into Bollywood section. So that I've already done.
Okay.
Festivals
What
as
else?
in, um, I want to perform a lot of progressive tunes in the near future.
Okay.
Probably be a part of Supersonic or Submerged Team or so when you perform Bollywood,
Yeah.
that is not your platform, you know.
Right.
And that has been in my mind for a very long time.
Right. Right.
So yeah, I'm kind of looking forward to a lot of festivals. Hopefully that will also work out.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay.
in India and abroad as well. It's not just only
Yeah.
in India.
Yeah.
So yeah. So looking forward,
So
and also my single is something I
what
really
is
want to start working
what
on.
is this
My own
mandala?
song,
People are saying
my
mandala
own
waiting
song,
for you.
Mandala. Okay, that's a festival in Calcutta. So
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
so Vic, hopefully soon next year. Hopefully, let's just
Oh, mandala
hope for the
festival.
best once
Okay.
everything is
Okay. Great.
sorted. So
Yeah.
yeah, and also my own single. I mean, I have written a song 4 years ago
Okay.
and composed it as well. So if luck has it, then hopefully that will see the day of light. So let's just see.
So
Let's just hope.
we will be seeing you performing and acting everything in that music video.
I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah.
Acting is a part of dancing, I'm sure.
Yeah. Yeah.
Acting is a part of life.
Yeah.
So
Actually.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Very true.
So
Very true.
if I am in the music video and if I am dancing, there will be
Yeah.
expressions. There will be everything
So
involved. So
from all over the country, people are messaging in this, and saying that we are missing you, we are missing you in United Toast from Goa and all that. So tell me which
yeah.
one is your favorite? Which one is your favorite from India? Maybe you can say name a city and you can name that club or pub.
Okay. So I'll tell you.
Yeah,
I have lived in 4 cities so far.
yeah,
I have my whole career span has been in 4 cities. So I'm born
yeah,
in Calcutta.
yeah,
I have started my career
yeah,
initially in Cal, but then my
yeah.
major part of my career was in Delhi. Then I
Okay,
got a boost in my career in Goa,
okay,
and now finally I am in Bombay.
okay, okay.
So I would definitely say all 4 cities have played a major role in my career.
Right, right.
But if you ask me, Goa was
The
my
best.
favorite place to be in.
Uh,
That was my
Okay,
favorite place to be in. Absolutely. I mean, my most favorite times I've had so far,
okay.
was in
In
Goa.
Goa. Okay.
So
So
definitely Goa. In India,
any
definitely Goa.
Goa, and any particular favorite club in Goa?
Um, Clubs in Goa keep changing, so
Yeah, yeah, there are a lot of
there's
clubs.
no
Yeah, because
particular.
Goa is famous.
I
Yeah,
would not be
I'm
biased
sure.
to any particular club. So yeah, Goa as a whole is an experience
Yeah.
to itself. So
So
yeah.
Goa is number one. Okay. So all the people that who are actually watching the show, they want to be like you, or anything like all these things. So any message that you want to give to all your fans and followers? People are saying that you are the best DJ they have ever seen. So that's a huge compliment.
Thank you
And
guys.
so any message that you want to give to all your fans and followers out here?
See, I know it's very trying time, and it's difficult to to hold on to yourself.
Yeah.
But this is also a time to introspect. One
Yes.
of the
Very true.
best times to look within and
Yeah.
understand who you are, what you want to do. So
Yeah.
I would say just be yourself, enjoy this
Yeah.
time because it's not going to come back in a very long time.
Very true. Very true.
Once we start working,
Yeah.
we are going to
Yeah.
go up behind the rat race again.
Yeah.
you know
Yeah.
so I would just say that be yourself, enjoy this time,
Yeah.
introspect, understand who you are, love
Yeah.
yourself. And
Very.
about career, if you want an advice, I would say whatever you are up to, be authentic. Don't let anyone tell you different. That's something that we all have been suffering in these
Right.
days, because the
Right.
trolling situation has gone so high nowadays with people
Yeah.
being home and you know
Very true.
doing going online, and social media has been a lot
Mm-hmm.
of trolling has been happening. So I would just say
Yeah.
don't let anyone tell you different. Just be
Okay.
authentic and do your thing.
Yeah.
Do
Yeah.
whatever makes you happy.
Yes. Very true. Very
you
true.
know
So another
Whatever you
compliment
do,
that
just
you
make sure you're
just
happy.
really got from Parsha is that DJ Donna, the beautiful DJ. Yes, we agree
Thank you,
that
Par. Thank you
Parsha.
so much.
Yeah, we agree to that, and we say all the best to you to upcoming. Whatever you want to do, whatever you
Thank you
want
so
to
much, Ashka.
basically. You want to be. We also want to see that new single that you're preparing. We want to see you in that also, and I'm sure that you will rock in that. And also
Thank you.
all the projects that you want to do, possibly your talk show, possibly any other things that you have in your mind. So all the best for your future projects, and
Thank you
stay
so much.
stay like this, stay musical, stay rocking. The way you are doing right now, just stay like that. So have a beautiful evening ahead, and thank you
Thank
so
you
much
so
for
much,
coming
Ashka.
online. Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much
Thank
for
you for
coming
having me.
online.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye. See you.